is a reminder of who led our fight for freedom, of our Ghana's rich history, the struggle for independence, its continued progress towards a brighter future. Review and research encourages taking time to look back on past experiences, critically evaluating them, and then making necessary adjustments to move forward with fresh perspective. Essentially, it means to pause, analyze, and start anew with improved strategies for directions. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, 68 years in the life of a country marks a moment to pause, look back, and then gaze forward with renewed purpose and energy. As we reflect on the past years, we remember the triumphs and challenges. We recall the moments of joy and the times of struggle. We consider the successes that can be built upon and the areas that need improvement.